Roav is the new brand by Anker, and today I'm going to show you how to install DashCam C1 in your car. Okay, I'm going to unbox the Roav DashCam C1 for you here. Okay, so what we've got, first of all we have our happy card. Second of all we have the Roav DashCam itself, looks great. We have the mount here. The quick starts guide. We've got the Anker charger, which is 2-port. Charging cable. And also the trim removal tool. Okay, first of all we've got the cable here. So we're going to plug this into the dashcam. Okay, secondly we need to plug into the car charger. And finally put it into the power slot. Insert micro SD card. DashCam can process SD cards, class 10 and above. Remove the adhesive sticker and then place on your windshield. To eject, simply slide to the right. To attach dashcam, slide to the left once it has been aligned with the mount. Use the trim removal to press and hide the cable into the seams and weather stripping around the edge of the dashboard. The cable can be hidden in your car's weather strapping. Okay, we've now installed the Roav dashcam. Now simply start your engine and enjoy your driving experience with the Roav dashcam, capturing your journey.